Hello guys! In this video I want to talk about on-page SEO analysis with Smart SEO Auditor. Now we can see the analysis result of the test website. We have crawled this website in my previous videos. Okay, let's switch to the by pages tab. At the top, the list of all pages is placed. There is a lot of data in this report, so at the top we displayed aggregated results. We use different icons here to simplify analysis. At the bottom we can see a detailed report about the selected page. It is divided into different tabs. On the first tab we can see web page URL, response code, no index, no follow, and canonical link. Please pay attention to those three green icons. They tell us that everything is okay here. Also, pay attention to Show Hint button. If you cannot understand any parameters, please click this button and you will see a pop-up hint. Let's switch to the next tab. On this tab we can see the analysis result of title, description and keywords. The first two are restricted by length in symbols and pixels. Also, application checks if there are some frequently repeated words. In this case, title length is 63 symbols and 539 pixels. There are no frequently repeated words. Let's take a look at the hint. As we can see here, the maximum length in pixels is 466. In our case it is 539. Many tag keywords is ignored by search engines, so we do not analyze it. Let's check the headers H1, H6 tab. Here we can see all headers of the document. This yellow icon tells us that something is wrong. On the selected page there are no H1 header, but there are H2. Now let's take a look at Strong EM tab. As we can see, such tags are not used on the selected web page. We recommend using them. Those tags help users and search engines to analyze the document. We do not recommend highlighting keywords only. It is better to highlight full sentences instead. External link tab. Here there is only one outgoing link. The next step is internal links. Here is a list of links to different web pages of the current website. We can see columns like link, anchor, title, blocked for crawlers, no follow and response code. Please pay attention to the red icon on the head of the tab. It tells us that something is wrong here. Let's try to find out. Here is a broken link. Let's switch to links to the page tab. In this tab, we can see a list of the website pages that have links to the current page. Please pay attention to the title and anchor columns, they can contain keywords. And the last tab is images. Here is a list of images found on the web page. We can see the columns: image URL, title, alt, blocked for robots, response code, and the last one is size. First, pay attention to alt attribute. This one is more important for SEO. Also, make sure you disallow only images that should be disallowed. Sometimes webmasters can disallow images by mistake. And of course, there shouldn't be broken images. Response code should be 200 OC. And the last column is image size. The image shouldn't be too big. So, that is everything I wanted to talk about. In the description of this video you can find links to some other videos with more details. Thanks for your attention. Have a good day and see you later.